Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Bitcoin wallet on your iPhone. First, you'll need to choose a reliable wallet application from the Apple App Store. There are many options available, so take some time to research and compare their features. Look for strong security measures, such as two-factor authentication and a clear, intuitive design. Reading user reviews can also help you make an informed decision. Once you've selected your preferred wallet, download it directly from the App Store. After installation, open the app and follow the prompts to create a new wallet. This usually involves setting a robust password or PIN to protect your funds. Crucially, you will be given a recovery phrase, typically 12 to 24 words long. Write this down accurately and store it in a very safe, offline location. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some Bitcoin. Inside your wallet app, you'll find a unique receiving address, often displayed as a QR code or a long string of characters. This is where you will send your Bitcoin. Copy this address precisely. Then, from an exchange or another wallet, initiate a transfer using this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure accuracy. Maintaining the security of your Bitcoin wallet is paramount. Always enable all available security features, such as Face ID or Touch ID, for quick and secure access. Periodically review and back up your recovery phrase, ensuring it remains safe from loss or damage. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited messages or links, as phishing attempts are common. Remember, your recovery phrase is the key to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.